Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you the simple steps to remove a saved credit card from your Temu account for better financial security. First, open the Temu app and ensure you are logged into your account. Tap on the Account tab, usually at the bottom right of the screen. It looks like a person's silhouette. Next, tap on Payment Methods or Manage Payment Methods. This will show you all your saved payment options. Then, find the credit card you want to remove. You should see an Edit button or a trash can icon next to it. Tap on that. After that, a menu will appear. Select Delete or Remove. The app will likely ask you to confirm this action. Confirm that you want to remove the card. The credit card has now been successfully deleted from your Temu account and will not be available for future purchases. It's a good habit to remove payment methods you no longer use from any shopping app. If this quick guide helped you secure your Temu account, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.